Hi, I'm Alex from Xantrex. I'm going to show you a couple features on our eGEN system.
So here I'm going to show you transport mode on the new 4.1 firmware. You're going to push and hold the OK button. You'll get the application status screen. You'll have a little arrow here. If you push and hold the right arrow, it'll bring you into the transport mode. You can see right here the SoC is at 10. We'll go ahead and push the 60% button. It'll tell us that it's confirmed it. We will now have 60% up here. You can push the exit button and we show transport mode. Now once you're in transport mode, we can do the exact same steps in reverse. Push and hold the OK button. On this screen you can actually see it says reserve is 60. We're going to push and hold the right button. And here again it says 60 is our reserve. We can hit the 10%, exit, and now we're back to our normal.